A man once desired something very deeply. He worked really hard for it, and through it all, he held faith in Sainath. Every Thursday, without fail, he went to the temple, folded his hands, trusted the journey. But as the time passed, life began to test him. Situations weakened him, people around him made him question himself. Some projects he gave his heart and soul did not bring the results that he was hoping for. Slowly, the faith began to thin, not because he stopped believing in Sainath, but because he feared questioning him. He felt that asking why meant he lacked that faith on Sainath. So he stayed silent, holding pain inside. As days passed, things grew heavier. One night, the emptiness became unbearable. He didn't know what to feel, he didn't know what to ask, and most importantly, he didn't know how to pray. In that quiet confusion, he sat alone near a temple, lost in his thought, heart very heavy, eyes searching for that peace. But when he noticed a purse lying nearby, wanting it to return it to that owner, he opened it to find the owner details. But inside, there was nothing. No money, no cards, no name. Only a photo of Sainath Maharaj. In that moment, tears rolled his eyes, not from sadness but from gratitude. Sai had found him. When he didn't know how to reach Sai, he understood then faith is not about never breaking, but about holding on even when we cannot. Sometimes time, situations, people test us. But when we stand strong in our Sai Tattvam with Shraddha and Saburi, Sai will always show his presence beyond logic, beyond words. Anantakoti Brahmanda Nayaka, Rajadiraja Yogi Raja Parabrahma, Sachidananda Sadguru Sainath Maharaj ki Jai, Shri Sai Bhagwan ki Jai.